My name is Tafazo Sarara from Zimbabwe. Come from Harare. I'm the chairman of the milling industry. We view that this mission is very, very important to us because it enlightened and exposed us to the bigger wide world in respect of supply and provisions of agriculture equipment. And we're grateful to USAID and the SADC Trade Hub for such initiatives. I think it's imperative that they should be done again in future events at a much bigger scale to continuously empower and expose our SADC regional businessmen to such forums so that they'll be able to interact with the rest of the world. Secondly, also, the convenience that it has brought is valueless, where you'll be able to go and meet some of the companies which ordinarily would have easily gone to their company, to their respective premises, and have demonstrations done for you. So, really, this has been very, very good. Thank you once again. Zimbabwe, in terms of infrastructure, it has pretty gone down because of the challenges of the last decade, and we are now reconnecting with the rest of the world, especially in the line of retooling our industries. And we have really come up with a number of prospective suppliers working to supply milling equipment, packaging equipment, so that whatever we produce can match up to the imports that continue to get into Zimbabwe.